Hey guys, welcome back to another 10x income system video where I'll be reviewing this and sort of breaking down my thoughts, how I feel about it so far, guys. So just for those of you who don't know, guys, I've been promoting this for about a week. I have been making videos about this before I actually even bought the system. Um, so let's get into it. So the 10x income system, as some of you might already know, guys, is a fully automated affiliate program, guys, where you can get on it and actually start to make money, guys. I know a lot of you have experienced some pretty rough times with this pandemic around, guys, and maybe some of you who are behind this video are, you know, trying to figure out ways that you can actually make money as well, guys. I haven't made anything myself as of yet, guys. I haven't bought into the packages yet. Mainly just promoting organically, guys, through organic traffic, guys. And so far, things are moving, guys, but as of right now, I haven't actually made anything from it. I did pay $297 for the program, guys. That's how much it costs currently. Some of you might think that's a little steep, guys. I know some of you might, be experiencing some rough times because of the pandemic or whatever your situation is, guys. But there is a 365-day money back guarantee. So, if for whatever reason, if you decide to purchase and don't like it, you can simply take advantage of that right there, guys, and just simply ask for a refund. Because this program is still new, guys, people are still learning, people are still growing. But have heard some pretty good things about the traffic packages. People who have bought the packages, guys, have made some sales in a couple of days. And I haven't bought the packages as of yet, guys, because I know there's a lot of people out there who want to see people get results organically as well, guys. Maybe some of you aren't actually really into paid advertising, guys. And for me, that's kind of the first route I would take either, guys. I would always recommend starting out organically. But I have seen plenty of people using TabAD's traffic packages and get results. For example, there's this lady in the Facebook group that actually replied to one of my messages. If you haven't already seen this in a previous video, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just explain again. But I made a comment about 20 hours ago, guys, asking what the average conversion rate for carrying these packages are. And she replied and just shared what her experience was. So this is just some normal person, guys, like you guys watching, who has bought a 10x income system by TabAD. And she joined on September 1st, guys. She paid $200 for traffic and got 2 sales. And keep in mind that every sale is 297, right? So she put in 297 and got back. Oops, she got back almost $600. So minus the $200, guys, she made $394 in profit just by spending the $200, guys, in the traffic packages. Now there are different tiers of traffic packages, guys. All of them contain a different number of prospects, guys, potential leads, potential buyers for your affiliate links, guys. So I do believe there is a traffic package that costs 60, one that's like 100 or 110, and there's a third one that costs 200. Seems like she bought the biggest package, guys, and those were pretty much her results. So as you can see right there, that's just one person's opinion, guys. That's just one person's experience on what it did for her. I've heard a lot of other things in the group, guys, about people saying good things about it. But maybe like some of you watching, guys, I was just kind of skeptical about it, at first. Because people can say all sorts of things, guys, but you never actually know until you investigate for yourself. But I will say, any of you who are skeptical and maybe you're not really interested in the traffic packages, guys, but you kind of want to promote this organically and see what you can do. There is a 365-day money back guarantee, so there's no risk. If it's something that kind of just turns out to be, hey, not really interested anymore, money back guarantee. But this program has only been out for about 2 weeks, guys. People are learning, growing, things are improving in this as well. I would definitely recommend sticking around for a little longer. Give it a try for like, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks and see what it can do for you. And if it doesn't work, just simply, get a refund. I'm simply just here just to share my opinion with you guys and be real and authentic with you and not trying to give you something that's just fake, guys. I'm doing some investigating myself, guys, some more research within the private group, guys, to see, more people's experience on these traffic packages, guys. Because, some of you may be like me and thinking, hey, completely done for you system, unlimited 290 commissions, no experience needed, no waiting for results, maybe too good to be true. I think in a sense, that's not entirely accurate where there's no waiting because there is waiting. That lady in the first Facebook group did have to wait a couple of weeks for her to get results, guys. But she did get results. So I definitely say there is waiting, guys. I would say there is a little bit of tech skills needed, guys. Just basic setup, nothing too complicated. You gotta learn how to connect your PayPal or whatever method you're using to pay for this. Personally, I just connected my PayPal, guys. This is like the pre-setup phase, where you have to set up everything, of course, guys, and so you can get things running. But it's definitely, I wouldn't say complicated, so I would agree with this there. But there is still waiting, guys. People do wait for results. Although I have seen people in the group get results in just a couple of days using this system, guys. But I would say that so far, the program is very low risk, guys. There are a lot of things out there. I've seen affiliate programs where, it costs like $2,500 to get in, guys, and to learn and to watch videos. And for those of you who are thinking 297 is a little steep, maybe it is for some people, guys, but there's a lot worse out there that is, I don't think giving as much value, guys. So I think 297 with a guarantee money back, 365-day money back guarantee is definitely good thing to check out first before you decide to invest into anything else, guys. Because there are other programs that cost, like double or triple the amount of this. Um, but there's free stuff you can use, guys. There's like ClickBank, you can be an Amazon associate or whatever. But those things don't give you the ability to make $297 in every single commission, guys. Maybe you're doing like 10 or 5 or $15 in very small ticket commissions, guys. And for those of you who want a little more than that, guys, then maybe this is something you could check out. But as of right now, things are moving. Because I've mainly been just focusing on my YouTube channel, guys, where I'm breaking this down for your wall. So I've been getting a little bit more traction with it lately, guys. But I definitely thank all my viewers for watching and supporting, guys. I definitely appreciate it, guys. If you like this video, be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. As usual, there are links in the description, and that's going to be pretty much it for today, guys. All right, take care.